Hello viewers, today I am going to discuss with you about stress reliever. Everyone would have faced the issue, the work pressure or stress. It may be an official one or it may be a personal one. Whatever may be the source, you will be having something in your mind which is just hitting your brain that think repeatedly, not a positive way, not in a positive way, but in a negative one. Usually our mind goes towards the negative thoughts only, but if you go behind those negative thoughts, then you will end up with false attitude, and you will fail in every attempts you try. So first, when you get some disturbance in your mind, like stress or work pressure or anything, just follow 3 steps what I used to do. First one is ignorance. First, I just ignore that work. I will ignore that work and I will ignore that stress, but not the person who have caused that stress or who have given that work. I won't ignore that person. He has just given the instructions or he has just given something to you to do. He is not a main problem. The problem is the work and the stress. Just ignore that work and ignore that pressure and go for diversion. If you ignore this, next thing you have to do something, no? So for that, you just divert your mind towards number 1, children. Usually the children who will be playing around you are the main source of stress relievers. What they will do, they just play around you. Their shouting may disturb you, but if you start ignoring these things and get diverted to those children's, whatever the activity they do, shouting, playing, jumping, everything, it will make you to feel pleasant and peaceful. Just watch what they are playing, or if possible, you too go with them and play with the children together, and you will be free from all sorts of issues, and you will be fresh to do whatever work will be given to you, or to face any difficulties or any issues which comes to you. So if possible, choose the first one, playing with the children, which is the easiest one, and it will be more advantageous for you to get over the pressure over your mind. The next one, what most of the people do is books. They just read books, or they start to write something in a paper and a pen, or they go towards the educational point of views. So like teaching someone or learning something, like that they will follow using the book as a tool to get rid of this stress. So next one, DIY. What is DIY? It is do it yourself. Do it yourself is just a thing. It is roaming around you, which was not in a workable condition. You can do it yourself, something to make it usable. For example, you will be having some electronic item, for example speaker. Its wire would have been cut accidentally. So you can try to fix the cut wire to make the speaker to work properly. So it is by doing this, you would have forgot this one, and you will be concentrating on this DIY work. So I just told about the example. I have used the speaker as an example only. there are a lot of things you can do it yourself, like not only repairing work, you can do something new. You can use a waste material to assemble it into a usable product. So likewise, you can plan everything, whatever you get an idea, new idea, you can do it yourself, so that you can forget these things. Another one, Internet of Things. I am not telling about the social media. Social media is not a stress reliever, it is just a time wasting one, just for an entertainment, just to relax, or it's not going to make you to come out of the stress or pressure. It's just make you to engage towards the social media, that's all, but you will not be free from the stress. And if you go towards the social media, it is like an addiction also. You cannot get out of it and get back to your work. You will be fully concentrating on the social media alone, you won't get back to your work. Whatever I say here, these things, it won't make you to get completely moving towards it. They just make you to forget or ignore these things for an instant of time and divert towards these works for few instants. After completing this, you will be free and you can get back to your work, but if you go beyond the social media, you cannot get back to your work. You just got held up with that one, and it will be addicted one if you move towards the social media. So I am not telling about the social media, I am telling about Internet of Things. What is that? Just search for something you want to know newly in internet, not only in YouTube. Just Google Google it what you want to know. Use the internet, it shows many informations or many new experiences which others have faced. Those things will help you to know something new which may be useful for your work also, or to get distracted from troubles, and you can execute everything freely without any disturbances or stress or any difficulty. So just Internet of Things, just search, Google it or search in YouTube or anything, learn new things which is available in the internet. With that, it may be useful in future for you to overcome your difficulties which are going to appear in your near futures or later on. So just learn few things in the internet, Google it or YouTube, but don't go for the social media. Just search in Google or YouTube or any other platform which will not make you to get addicted. So try any of these things. If you have tried these things, then go for the fight and win phase. So first I have told you ignore, next diversion, you have got diverted to some other work. Now the stress would have been gone, but the work is there, work is not completed, it is assigned to you, you have to do it. It is either official work or a family work. The work is there, it is not end, it is live. Just a stress have been accompanied with you with this work. So to overcome this, I have told these phases: ignorance, ignore the work and ignore the stress, and I said that don't ignore the person, just let him be there. After ignorance, you just divert yourself to some other work. I have just given some examples, not these four alone, you can go for any other thing also. So just divert your mind towards some useful thing. So after this, come for the fight and win phase. First, relax. During the diversion phase itself, you would have felt the relax mode. So first relax, Then set your environment to a mindset. So, environment should be good. If you are doing a very important work, you should not get any disturbances. The environment should be pleasant, not only the sound, the order, color, lighting, ventilation, everything. So, everything you have to consider. Set a wonderful environment to work, then plan. Before executing a work, don't go just by the papers, not just by the oral instructions. Just sit for a few instants and plan what we have to do. If you got some queries, just discuss about your queries with others and come to a conclusion in the planning phase itself. So, before executing a work, you should plan for what you are going to do, so that if any difficulties is going to arise during the execution phase, it will be nullified in the planning phase itself. So, before execution, just plan what you are going to do, so that your stress, work pressure will not be a burden for you. So, after planning, execute it and don't get deviated from the plan. If at all a failure arises, just go by the plan. If you face some failure, then get back to your planning phase. Again plan for the work. Don't just move forward. Plan everything and then execute. So, you are executing the work, it is going well, and finally you are going to finish this work successfully. During these phases, you will not get any tension or pressure or stress or torture. Any word you usually use while doing a work will not going to be appeared in these regions. So, I conclude, whenever you get over work pressure, it may be an official work or a personal work, just ignore it. Just ignore it. Ignore the work, ignore the stress, but not the person who have given you the work, because the person is very much important. Every human being who are around us are very useful in our day to day life to lead a happy life. So, don't ignore these persons. For that instant, just ignore the work and the stress, then get to the diversion phase. Diversion, you can play with the children or just watch the children playing, or go with the books, learn or read or write a book or write something new or write a content. Just get diverted towards the books or DIY, do it yourself, do some works on your own. Don't try to hire a person to do that work, just do it yourself, which will be an easy one. I am not telling that go and make your car to work properly, open the engines, clean it. I am not telling like that. I am just telling that do an easy work which will be done by you without hiring a person. Or Internet of Things, I am not telling about the social media, just underline that. Social media is just an addiction one. Internet of Things is just to learn new things from the internet, which will be useful in your near future or later on. So, by these things you can get diverted from this work pressure and you will be feeling relaxed. So, now come to fight and win the pressure. So, you would have reached this relaxed phase. So, in this from this relaxed mode, you just set your environment to work with your assignment, then plan If you have any queries while in the planning phase, then discuss with others, and once you have planned, start to execute it. So, during the execution you will not get any stress, because you have made your mind to get relaxed, and you set your environment peaceful, and you have planned what we have to do and how we have to do, and within which time we have to do everything we would have planned here. Then execute it. If at all a failure arises, just to move forward. If a failure arises, then come back to your planning phase and redo with your plan and come up with a new idea. Next, again start your execution. After the end of execution, you will be completing the work successfully. So, hope I have shared my views very well, and I expect others' opinion also, so that I can incorporate your ideas in my stress relieving work. So, every people is having their own stress. So, I just follow this pattern. You can share your views and ideas in the comments, so that I can incorporate your idea to overcome my work pressure. Thank you.